I mean, it's not the best cable management, but this is my first build I have ever done. I've never replaced a GPU, a CPU, nothing. The only thing I've ever done was put memory in M.2. That's like the furthest I've ever been. But now I've built my whole PC by myself. I got the 4070, RTX 4070. I already know y'all gonna say the CPU's not the best, but I did what I could do, what I had left over. I got the Ryzen 7 5700G. I have got 4 sticks of RAM. They are 8 gigabytes, and I overclocked them to 3600, which that is what's on the specs. I have got 2 terabytes of M.2. I got one there and one there. And it didn't have Wi-Fi, so that is plugged into my motherboard. That is my Wi-Fi and my Bluetooth. And I am very proud of my build. Oh, and I installed a custom cooler. That way keep it a little cooler. I'm thinking about switching it out and putting a liquid pump in it, but it does good. I put a stress test on it for 10 minutes through Cinebench, I think the name of it is, and it never got over 71 Celsius, and that's what it stressed, maxed out for 10 minutes. I am very proud of it. I'm happy, and yeah. Oh, my homemade GPU prop stand. I cut the back side of his head flat, and it fits perfectly up under there. But yeah, I'm very happy with it. Oh, and I got 750 watt plus 80 on the power supply.